192.168.1.1. Enter the IP address of your Netgear router in your browser's address bar. Password. Sign in. Change the router's IP address. Advanced. Setup. LAN Setup. LAN IP Setup. Change the router's IP address to avoid IP address conflicts with other routers. If two routers on the same local network have the same IP address, it will cause internet connection errors. IP address. The above is how to change the LAN IP address of a Netgear router. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Apply.